What's up, family? What's up, my peoples, my loved ones? How's everybody doing on this lovely Thursday afternoon? Hopefully every single one of you guys had a blessed day, hanging out, being safe with your loved ones wherever you're at in this magnificent world that we live in, guys. It's your boy Jaime G, guys, dropping you a video, let you know what's going on in the bang bang wild wild west of crypto land, guys. Obviously we're going to talk about Dogecoin, right? Because this channel is a part of the Doge Army channel, right? I like to talk about Doge every day, guys. Keep you guys informed, updated on what's going on, current events with Dogecoin and the overall crypto markets. Now, guys, we're gonna talk about levels of resistance and support. Briefly look at the chart on TradingView, and then we're gonna talk about a very important article that's based about Robinhood and how they own 11.6% worth of $1 billion worth of crypto, and 34% of that makes up is strictly from Dogecoin. Now, I'm gonna chop it up, dissect it, and give you my opinion, guys, right, on why I think also that they might try to procrastinate and hold out as long as they can on trying to allow people to pull Doge off their exchange. Why? Because it's going to affect them financially by millions and millions of dollars. We're going to dive into all of that here in a second, guys. Now, if you're new to the channel and that sounds good to you, please consider to like and subscribe. And maybe if you're feeling like a very generous person today, you can give your boy maybe a fat thumbs up, maybe leave a comment down below. You know, I appreciate the love, guys. Now, don't forget my giveaway, $300 of crypto when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel and you like free dinero, what you waiting for, man? Hit that subscription bell, turn it on to all. And none of this is financial advice. It's just me blabbing my mouth on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. Now let's dive right into it. Let's briefly look at the markets, guys. As you can see, the overall markets, guys, it's pretty much just bloody red right on the top 100 on CoinMarketCap. Now why? Because good old grandpa Bitcoin has not been doing good, guys, in the past 2 days, right? We went past that 35K level resistance, but look where we're at now again, at $33,539, guys, and we are down 3.62% for the day. It doesn't look good, but it's all good, right? We're still just, the markets are recovering, guys. It could be worse, right? We were down to 28,800, but look where we're at now. And a lot of people thought we were going to go all the way down to 20K. I still haven't seen it. And stay tuned for a video later this evening on Bitcoin, guys. I'm going to talk on an article about Willy Woo on how he says the markets are recovering. Now, if those of you guys that don't know who Willy Woo is, he's like a goddess, man, when it comes to Bitcoin and on-chain analysis, right, guys? So we'll dive into that, so stay tuned later this evening for that. So, all right, guys, now let's just dive right into the content, see what's going on with the main superstar of the day, Dogecoin. Guys, we are currently at 24 cents. Uh-oh, my phone's lagging a little, there we go. We were down 1.58% for the day, guys. 24-hour high of 25 cents, 24-hour low of 23. Market cap is at 32.2 billion, and volume has gone up a little tad bit, guys. We're at 2.51 billion, right, dollars in the last 24 hours. Yesterday it was like at 2.04 or something like that, guys. So it's gone up just a little bit. So let's dive into the chart, guys. Now we're looking at TradingView, okay, guys, and we're gonna be looking at the daily. Okay, now I want to show you guys on how we've been trading in a tight pattern, guys, for the past 6 days, right? We've been trading plus or minus 2 cents, right? So that just means we've been going up, adding or subtracting 2 cents, right, from 24 to 26 cents, right? And I'm going to briefly show you on the chart here, right? I'm going to give you some 2 horizontal lines. Now, guys, we've been trading in a tight range, right? And in my opinion, right, it's because we're ready for a breakout, right, whether to the upside or to the downside. In my opinion, it's going to be to an upside. Now, as you can see here, guys, right, let me open this up a little more, right? So these are the past 6 days, right? We've been trading in a very tight range, like I said, plus or minus 2 cents, because the price has just been consolidating between 24 and 26 cents because it's undecisive on what it wants to do, right? That's what consolidate means. It's just a fancy schmancy term for trading sideways of any asset, right? In this particular time, we're talking about Dogecoin, right? So it's undecisive and it wants to break to the upside or to the downside. And I always keep using a spring as a reference, right? Like a spring is just getting pinched down tighter and tighter. Well, that's, in my opinion, what is going on with the price of Doge. It is trading in this tight pattern of plus or minus 2 cents, right? Just waiting to bust out, bam, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to briefly show you where we've been trading at in a tight range for about the past 6 days. Now let's just dive right into the levels of resistance and I'm all tongue tied. Support and resistance, guys. It hasn't changed, guys. In my opinion, it's still the same. So it is over here. Let's get the resistance, right, which is still at 25 cents, guys. As you can see here, we'll talk about resistance first, right? So as you can see now, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days, we've gotten rejected at that 26 cents, right? as you can see, it's for 4 days in a row. We have broke past the level of resistance at 25 cents, but nonetheless, we continue to retrace and pull back to 25 cents to 24 cents. That's why I say we're trading in a tight range, plus or minus 2 cents, okay? So that level of 25 cents is acting as a very, very strong level of resistance. And for those of you guys that didn't know, that was a level of support, right, guys, a while back, until we had that major dip down to that 16 cents, right? Now it's obviously a strong level of resistance. All right, so now, and then down here, guys, is where we have our level of support, right? 21 cents, okay, is in my opinion. So the key takeaway from all of this, right, guys, is 21 cents is support, 25 cents is resistance, and we're trading in a very tight pattern consolidating between 24 and 26 cents right now, okay, guys? I like to keep it easy breezy on this channel, guys. I know that I don't have thousands of subscribers like a lot of these other guys that talk about Doge on YouTube, guys, but I do tend to know a thing or two. I just like to keep it easy and breezy for my viewers and subscribers. All right, now that's what we got for the technicals, guys. Now let's dive into this very, very important article here, guys. How much time do we have? Oh, 6 minutes. All right, guys, I'll try to be out of here in like 2 minutes. Okay, now it says Robinhood warns its crypto business is heavily reliant on Dogecoin. The company says a substantial portion of recent revenue growth has come from Dogecoin trading. Now, guys, in my opinion, this is very crucial and important, guys, right? Because why? Because they're supposed to be working on allowing us to pull our assets, our crypto, our Dogecoin off of Robinhood. Now, do you think they're really going to speed up the process and really want people to pull Doge off the platform? No. Why? Because it's going to affect them by the millions and millions of dollars, right? They're gonna get hit hard financially, right? By this, right? That's why, in my opinion, I think they're going to procrastinate and they're going to try to extend it and take as long as they can, right? And keep us like a fish on a hook, right? Thinking that you're going to be able to pull off your Doge from the platform, but it could be a year or two from now. You know what I'm saying? It's just my opinion, just me speculating. It says, as it prepares to go public, online brokerage service Robinhood has filed for its S1 with the SEC. Much of the company's recent growth is connected to the rise of Dogecoin. If demand for Dogecoin decreases, the document warns, the business could be adversely affected. And not just that, right? They should also put if we allow the assets to be pulled off, it's going to be heavily affected as well, right? It says, as it prepares to go public, it says, along with this rule and clarifying some of the specifics around an impending public offering, in the case shares will be listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker name HOOD, S1 lays out some of the risks associated with investing in a company's stock, right, guys? Now, it says, for Robinhood, those risks apparently involve Dogecoin, and a substantial portion of the recent growth in our net revenues earned from cryptocurrency transactions, it attributes to transactions in Dogecoin. Reads the filing. If demand for transactions in Dogecoin declines and is not replaced by new demands for other cryptocurrencies available for trading on our platform, our business's financial condition and results of operations could be adversely affected. Now, like I keep stating, guys, now just think about all those millions of dollars that are going to be pulled off of their platform, off of their exchange. When it's allowed, it's going to affect them, adversely affected as well. They're not talking about that, guys, but you know, you got to think smart. You got to be one step ahead of these people, and that's what I truly think. Now, it says 17% of the company's total revenue in Q1 of this year came from fees on crypto trades, and 34% of that revenue came specifically from Dogecoin. Now, that is freaking a huge amount of money just coming from Dogecoin, man. That's why I keep saying they're not, yeah. It says overall revenue are way up this year. Robinhood took in $522 million in Q1 alone. It says Dogecoin was developed in 2013 as a way of poking fun. Okay, now we know all that, guys. Now I want to just kind of brief into right here where it talks about, right here it says Coinbase, now the largest American crypto exchange, listed Dogecoin earlier this month, says though it's clearly happy to ride the wave, Robinhood's crypto ambitions extended far beyond Dogecoin. It added a new CEO for its crypto arm in April and held 11.6 billion in crypto at the end of Q1. All right, guys. Now, there's more nuggets in here if you want to read upon it, guys, yourself, right? You could look it up as you do your own research, guys. But I just wanted to briefly touch on this, right, and give you my opinion and kind of dissect it a little bit, because I truly think, guys, that they're gonna lag, they're gonna procrastinate on allowing us to pull our assets off of Robinhood. You know what I mean? And that could be a negative catalyst, right? right? Because they don't want, they're going to lose a lot. Bottom line is they could lose a lot of money by allowing us to pull it off, right? Eventually they probably will, but what I'm getting at is they might try to take their time to do it. That's all I'm saying, right? So who knows? It could be positive or it could be negative for the price of Doge. But this is what your boy had for you. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Hopefully you're having a blessed day, and I will be dropping another video later this evening, so stay tuned. Your boy Jaime GS out. Peace.